Tonight, we look to the skies, where the darkness is pierced by the promise of something extraordinary. Above us, a new era is dawning, one that will redefine the boundaries of flight and security. A new chapter in American aviation has begun, echoing the spirit of innovation that has always propelled us forward. The runway lights flicker as history prepares for takeoff. On a crisp January morning at Edwards Air Force Base, the world saw the future unveiled, the F-47 Valkyrie II. Its sleek lines and advanced design captured the imagination of all who witnessed its debut. This isn't just another airplane, it's a symbol of American ingenuity, a testament to relentless pursuit of excellence, and a promise of security for generations to come. The reveal was a moment of national pride, watched by leaders, allies, and adversaries worldwide. Cameras flashed, and the world took notice as America raised the bar once again. The F-47 Micon an sonze den Salmer, sonsten Shar. Sedine Zoe decade-old question. What comes next for American air power? It stands on the shoulders of legends, yet looks boldly to the future. Built to fly into the most dangerous places and return safely. It's a leap forward in technology, survivability, and mission capability. Its agility and resilience set a new standard for what's possible in the skies. Years of secret work by thousands of engineers, designers, and visionaries made this possible. Their dedication and expertise have shaped a machine that will protect and inspire. The F-47 is smarter, faster, and stealthier than anything before it. Its advanced systems and cutting-edge stealth technology make it a formidable guardian of the skies. Its arrival ensures America's pilots command the high ground in a new era of contested skies, where every advantage counts and every mission matters. Today we witness history, a promise kept to defend our freedoms, to stay ahead of threats, and to honor those who serve. The Valkyrie II is a beacon of innovation, inspiring a new generation of aviators, engineers, and dreamers to reach higher and push further. Its presence already shifts the strategic landscape, ensuring U.S. strength and readiness in an uncertain world. The balance of power is changing, and America leads the way. The skies will never be the same again. With the Valkyrie II, a new guardian watches over us all, ushering in a future where innovation and courage soar together. The F-47 story is one of extraordinary secrecy, a tale that unfolded quietly behind locked doors and guarded fences. For nearly 15 years, it was developed under the enigmatic Project Aurora, its existence whispered about but never confirmed, hidden across secure facilities scattered nationwide. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians worked tirelessly on the project, each contributing a piece to the puzzle, yet the true nature of their work remained a closely guarded mystery, even to many involved. This level of secrecy was absolutely vital, providing America with the precious time needed to design and build a revolutionary aircraft that could change the balance of power. In military aviation, surprise is a powerful advantage, one that can mean the difference between victory and defeat. By developing the F-47 in total secrecy, the U.S. ensured that its eventual reveal would send shockwaves around the globe, catching adversaries off guard. The project's security measures protected not only the builders, but also the sensitive technologies and innovations that set the F-47 apart from anything seen before. The unveiling was more than just a presentation. It was a carefully orchestrated strategic move, signaling to the world that America's technological leadership in defense remains unchallenged. For the public, it was a moment of reassurance, a reminder that innovation and progress continue behind the scenes, even when the world isn't watching. Unlike rushed or improvised programs, the F-47 was crafted with patience, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Teams were given the freedom to experiment, to test new ideas, and to solve complex problems away from the pressures of public scrutiny or political deadlines. The result was not just an incremental upgrade, but a true transformation of air combat, a leap forward that redefined what was possible in the skies. Now, the secret is out, and the world is watching, eager to see what the future of air power will bring. The F-47 Valkyrie II looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie, a vision of the future brought to life on the runway. Its smooth, tailless, blended wing-body design isn't just for show, it's the secret behind its next-level stealth capabilities, setting it apart from anything that's come before. Every curve, every angle, and every surface is meticulously engineered to scatter radar waves in unpredictable directions. making the jet nearly invisible to even the most advanced detection systems. The engine intakes and exhausts are cleverly concealed within the body, while the jet's skin is coated with special materials that absorb radar energy instead of reflecting it. To enemy radar operators, the F-47 might register as nothing more than a harmless bird, or sometimes not even appear at all, giving it a ghostly presence in hostile skies. This near invisibility gives its pilot the ultimate advantage: the ability to observe, gather intelligence, and strike, all while remaining undetected, seeing everything without ever being seen. It's a generational leap beyond older stealth jets like the F-22 and F-35, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerial warfare and redefining the standards for future aircraft. The tailless blended design means it's stealthy from every angle, not just head-on, making it a true master of evasion, no matter where threats may come from. With this level of stealth, it can slip past the world's most advanced air defense networks, bypassing radar zones and missile batteries as if they weren't even there. But stealth isn't its only strength. The blended wing shape also generates extra lift, boosts agility, and reduces drag, allowing for sharper turns and more efficient flight. The F-47 soars higher, maneuvers tighter, and stays airborne longer than any of its predecessors, giving it unmatched endurance and flexibility in any mission. Its design is a perfect marriage of form and function, where every detail serves a purpose, and every line is crafted for both beauty and performance. The result is a ghost in the sky, a powerful, efficient machine that's as elusive as it is formidable, rewriting the rules of modern air combat. The F-47's power comes from two adaptive cycle engines, a true engineering breakthrough. These engines can switch modes in flight, like a car shifting from sports to hybrid. Need speed? The engine acts as a turbojet, pushing the jet past twice the speed of sound. Need range? It shifts to a fuel-saving mode, extending combat range by nearly 30%. This flexibility means one F-47 can do the work of several older jets. It can escort bombers, patrol vast distances, and still dominate in a dogfight. The adaptive engine is the key to the jet's speed, stealth, and versatility. It unlocks missions once thought impossible for a single aircraft. The F-47's heart is as advanced as its shape. The F-47 Valkyrie II is designed to lead, not just fly. It's the quarterback of a new air force, commanding a team of autonomous drone wingmen, collaborative combat aircraft, or CCA. The pilot can control up to a dozen drones, sending them ahead to scout, identify threats, or act as decoys. These unmanned wingmen extend the F-47's reach and senses, taking on risky missions. The jet becomes the central node of a powerful network, sharing data for a 360-degree view of the battlefield. Drones can carry extra weapons or sensors, making the F-47 adaptable for any mission. This teamwork between pilot and machine is the future of air power. The F-47's advanced computers make drone control intuitive, like playing a video game. America's pilots will be the best aviators and the best commanders in the sky. The F-47 Valkyrie II's name is rich with meaning. In Norse myth, Valkyries chose who lived or died in battle, fitting for a jet that decides the outcome of air combat. The II honors the legendary XB-70 Valkyrie, a 1960s marvel that inspired generations. Naming it F-47 breaks the usual sequence, signaling a leap into a new era. The number 47 nods to 1947, the year the Air Force was born and the sound barrier was broken. This connects the jet to the very roots of American air power. The name and number together send a message. This is a new beginning. It honors a proud history of leadership and innovation. To allies, it's a sign of strength. To adversaries, a warning. The Valkyrie II carries the weight of history and the promise of the future. It's more than a name, it's a legacy. The F-47 Valkyrie II arrives at a pivotal moment. As rivals modernize, America's technological edge is more vital than ever. The F-47 deters conflict and ensures U.S. control of the skies. Boeing's leadership in the program brings fresh competition and innovation to the defense industry. This benefits both the Air Force and taxpayers, driving progress and lowering costs. The jet strengthens alliances and reassures partners worldwide. Its presence can de-escalate tensions and prevent conflict before it starts. The F-47 is a symbol of American resolve and global stability. It's a testament to our ability to innovate and overcome challenges. For the next 50 years, it will guard our skies and secure our future. The Valkyrie. 2 is the shape of things to come, a new guardian for the skies of freedom.